I am on my way to the CrossFit Games and I just thought I'd update you on how you might work with us. Hello, here's the lake. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm in Madison in Wisconsin. Right, let's start with free stuff, the videos. Hopefully you guys have realized they're divided into playlists. So go figure out which particular subject you're interested in and bag those. Second, the 101 lessons. I think it's 102 pages long. It's the lessons I learned from my first 100 deals. We ended up doing over 200 deals, 45 million quid's worth of property at an agreed purchase price of 30 million quid before refurb. So we learned a thing or two. We made many mistakes and I've written up my favourites, my least favourites, into the 101 lessons. So it's a really great sheet. It's huge. It's 102 pages. It's a really great pack and I give that to you guys for free because, to be honest, I want you to learn. I have written a whole bunch of checklists. They are steadily coming out. They may or may not be on the website at the moment, but they are coming out. So how to source deals, how to do buy to sell, how to furnish an HMO, how to analyze your portfolio, how to figure out a buy to sell purchase price, all that kind of stuff. So whether they're out just now or they're about to come out, go get them. They're there for free as well. And then we've got a whole bunch online. If you look at thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, I love writing stuff for you guys. We've got packs, buy to sell, business planning, which is important, guys, raising private finance, deal sourcing. We've got tons of different online workshops, which are either one-day workshops or two-day masterclasses. I've got tons of different sample legal docs. I call them sample because I'm not a lawyer. However, they're the exact legal docs that I used. They cost me 2.5 grand. I think they're like, I don't know, 20 or 29 quid or something on the website. So fill your boots, joint venture agreements, loans. And then we've got all the marketing, like the investor brochures that we used at the beginning. And this year I'm going to be writing a load more stuff. So anyway, just generally have a go and look at, you know what I mean? Have a good look at our website. And then if you want to do stuff live with us, there are two routes really. We got a few workshops. We tend to sell out, so without being salesy about it, book your place early because we do it in our office, so we can't expand our office because it's right beside the River Avon. So we'd be walking on water and we ain't going to do that. So book early because we tend to get fully booked, and we only do a few every year on all the key subjects. So buy to sell, deal sourcing, raising private finance, serviced accommodation, that kind of stuff. And we've got mentoring. Two types of mentoring. We have online mentoring program, which is basically for people, say you've got a family and you really can't commit to weekends. Well, that's fair enough, but I don't want you to miss out. So what we've done is we've filmed the face-to-face mentoring program, put them into tons of audio, video, downloads. Oh, you'll be busy. And then we give you all the systems, and then the third thing is important, and I do all the teaching, by the way, and as long as I'm not on holiday, like I am this week, we have conference calls every week in my diary, so I keep you up to date. So we've got an online mentoring program for those of you that won't be able to make it to Bristol, whether it's distance. We've got people internationally doing that, which is really lovely, or whether it's family or circumstances. And then we have a face-to-face mentoring program, which is fantastic. It's a really great group of people, great food, great cake, and we meet once a month in Bristol. In between times I keep the guys accountable, supported, keep alongside them for the successes and the difficulties. With conference calls, again, I do all the teaching, and then we also give them all the business and procedures and systems. So there you go. You got free stuff, you got packs, you got sample legal docs, you got marketing brochures, you've got online masterclasses, online workshops, you got face-to-face workshops where you can come and meet us in Bristol, you got the online mentoring program, and you got the face-to-face mentoring program. I think that should help you. I hope so, anyway. I mean, I love doing the education stuff. I put an awful lot into it. It's there to completely provide you, hopefully, with all the information that we've gained doing 45 million quid's worth of property, raised millions of quid, done hundreds of buy-to-sells, lots and lots and lots of joint venture partnerships, made mistakes, made tons of success, and managed portfolios, single-let, multi-let, built houses, split houses into flats, added planning permission, the lot really. So I just want you to take that information and go deliver on it for yourselves as well, because I found property life-changing and therefore I want to share it. So I hope that's useful. Check the website out, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, or give us a bell if you want to do some of the face-to-face stuff. See you soon. Bye.